Nike's Pegasus Premium multicolor arrives fall 2025, delivering a bold fusion of athletic performance and futuristic design. The upper bursts with pixelated reds, blues, purples, and whites, creating a motion blur effect reminiscent of a digital cityscape. Neon green laces and air zoom insoles energize the look, while black overlays add structure and support. Underfoot, a red to volt gradient midsole adds flair, complemented by Zoom Air Tech for cushioned responsiveness. Designed for both runners and street style enthusiasts, this release is part of an upcoming Nike running pack. The layered textures and contrasting tones make this model a standout. While the visuals steal attention, the sneaker's tech-driven construction ensures it's built for more than just looks. Expect it to drop at Nike.com and select retailers. This multicolor Pegasus Premium is Nike's statement piece, bold, innovative, and ready for city streets or race day.